Hello and welcome. Here I have server 81, which is a domain controller connected to a network with a router which allows me to go to internet. On that network, I've added a Nano server which I want also to configure to be able to go to internet. For that, I will need to configure the DNS part. I'm Christian, the sysadmin of the domain formation.local. The way to change the settings is by the PowerShell command line. So I'm going to use, and you will see the following command. I have established from AD1 to Nano 1 a remote shell connection. We are now going to look at the client's configuration for the DNS server. So I do this by using the command which is here enlightened. So I will launch it. It's get DNS-ClientServerAddress. The command is now executed and we see that there are different interfaces. The Ethernet one and loopback, the pseudo interface. What you can see here and what is indicative and interesting for us is the interface index. So each interface has a unique ID. We see here the address family IP4 or IP6 and then the server addresses. We see that in our case no addresses of servers have been given on the Ethernet 1, the number 3. So what I'm going to do now is to give an IP address. I'm giving some servers. So I prepared here a single one. If you want to give several ones, you just have here to add a comma and it will take a list. So I'm going to execute this command, the set-dns-ClientServerAddress as defined here up. We are going to call back the previous one to see now how it is set. And we see here that we have for the IP version 4 one server defined, which is the 192.168.1.1. Let's check if we can do resolution. So we can see here that we got a response, so we can admit that everything is just working fine as it is. So far so good. So this was it about setting the IP address of a DNS server on the Nano server.